What's the meaning of bathysphere? Bathysphere. Bathysphere.
Bathysphere. Bathysphere. A bathysphere is a deep-sea diving vessel designed for exploring the ocean's depths. It was invented by William Beebe and Otis Barton in the 1930s and was made up of two hemispheres of cast iron, with a diameter of around 6 feet. Bathyspheres were lowered into the ocean using steel cables, and the air inside was pressurized to prevent the occupants from experiencing the effects of decompression sickness, also known as the bends. These vessels allowed scientists to explore previously inaccessible regions of the ocean and led to important discoveries about deep-sea life and ecosystems. Today, bathyspheres have largely been replaced by more advanced submersibles and remotely operated vehicles.